Hey everyone! So the Pixel 7 phones was thus formally unveiled early this year and the launch of the range is scheduled for October. It appears that Google has taken the habit of showcasing flagship phones months before their official release because they are not the best at maintaining secrets. The company still tries to keep some mystery surrounding their phones by just previewing the overall design before their formal launch. But leakers almost always manage to spoil their event as the Pixel 7 Pro has done. Media sites have previously covered the Pixel 7 Pro prototypes in depth and now video showing the retail model was uploaded on Facebook. The video appears to have came from Bangladesh and the phone is the final official device, not a pre-release model or anything like that. The designs Google unveiled early this year have essentially been confirmed by every leak, but this specific video may imply that Google is very close to launching it. The two previous leaks did not contain any product packaging or a Google logo on the device's back. Google doesn't have the finest track record when it comes to keeping its Pixel phones hidden until launch, and the Pixel Watch appears to be following suit. With Google's October launch event just around the corner, we won't have to wait long to find out what Google has in store for us. This device is retail ready, so its functions and features the Google logo. It confirms what we previously knew, that the phone has the same general design as the Pixel 6 Pro with some minor modifications and doesn't disclose anything new. For example, the camera bar blends into the corner rather than being curved as the Pixel 6 Pro. Currently, the main camera and the ultra-wide unit are linked. With the exception of the second generation Tensor processor, the Pixel 7 Pro is a more refined version of the Pixel 6 Pro. I am interested to see how it will compare to the top smartphones of 2022. It's possible that the phone will have a large battery because it's anticipated to be little broader and heavier than Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will reportedly go on pre-order on October 6 and will likely be released on October 13. So what do you think about this Pixel 7 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.